Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to discuss you how to access the Cisco course uh, which was sent to your mail IDs. Okay. So to access that Cisco course, let us open your Gmail. Okay. Now open my Gmail. Okay. I have opened my mail and I can see here NetAcad Academy as I got a mail from Cisco NetAcad Academy. So to access this uh, course, the Python course in Cisco, first you have to activate your account, okay? Because till now you don't have any account in NetAcad, right? So you can activate your account. So click on activate account. Yes, last name, and it's asking me to give a username. So I'll give Ashok M. Okay, I have given username as Ashok M, and it is asking me to create a password. Okay, so I'll create a password. Okay, you can do this. 666. Okay, would you like to update about Cisco promotions, products and services? Okay, you can give us. So if there is any update from Cisco, you'll get a mail every time. Okay, so now click on register. Thank you, registration process is now completed. You will be automatically redirected to login page. Okay, so after registration is done, you will be redirected to a login page, right? See, now I have got a redirected login. So now I can see the course assigned to me, Python degree college course, right? So if I click on launch course, okay, okay, already there is another account has been opened in my system. So let us open the account what I have created now. You can give username or mail ID here. Okay, the username you have created there. I'm giving my mail ID .com. Okay, so click on next. Now it is asking me the password. Click on login. Yes. So if you observe, it is redirected, right? Now I have to fill few basic things here. So my first name and last name. Let us select our gender. Okay. Which is your practice experience in IT? If you don't have any experience on IT, give none. Or if you have anything, you can give that. Okay. If you don't have any experience, you can give none. Okay. Do you have any disability? No. Okay. Yes. And now make your date of birth here. So I'll give my date of birth December. Sorry, December 34, and that is 08. Okay, so after doing this, uh, okay, I have filled everything right. So click on create an account. Okay, so now it is asking you, let's start learning. Let's get started on the first chapter of Python, right? Launch course. Now you can click on launch course. Okay, so if you click on launch course, now it will directly launches the course where what is uh, given to you. Okay, now you can see the Python course, right? So welcome to Python Essentials. terms and conditions. Okay, you have to check all this stuff. Okay, and you have to accept some terms and conditions here, and you have a survey of this course. Okay, so why do you prefer this course? What you're willing to get from this course? Okay, everything will be here. Okay, it's about multiple choice questions. Okay, you have to fill these two things. After that, the course will be enabled to you. Okay, if you don't complete these two things, in the sense terms and conditions and welcome survey, you can't able to access the course. Okay, the real course starts from here. Okay, you have part 1 basics. Okay, module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. Okay, these modules are nothing but chapters. Okay, there you can see the content. Okay, explanation of every thing here. After seeing all these modules, you will have a exam. Okay, part 1 summary test. Okay, that means the topics what you have covered here will be given as an exam here. Okay, you have to write this exam, and again you can take this part 2 intermediate. So you cover up this course here and write the summary test, and finally you will have a final test here. Okay, you just complete the final test and give the course feedback. Okay, so after completing your final test, okay, so it will be about 50 points. At least you should get 35 marks. Okay, if you get a less than 35 marks, you didn't get a course completion certificate. Okay, you should get a 35 marks and above. Okay, and after that you can give end of course feedback. Okay, and many of you have been asking us that, sir, shall we take any okay, it's your okay wish. There will be a test to give you a certificate. Okay, I hope they'll ask to buy the voucher. If you has an interest, you can buy, otherwise leave it. Okay, don't make many questions on that. Okay, if you have an interest, you can go ahead, otherwise leave it. You will get a course completion certificate if you done up to till this point. Okay, so this is how you can access the course. Okay, just go to your mail id, click on active account. There you have to fill a form, and you have to set a password, then register, and then after open your netacad and okay, open your netacad. There you can see your profile. Just log in. Okay, right. So if you click on this, you can see the website of netacad. Okay, there you can click on login. Okay, if you click on login, it will ask you the username or email and then password. Okay, so when you go for active, when you click on active account, there you have created username and password, right? Now you have to give that username and password while login. Okay, while you are making into login. Okay, now you can give that username and password here. Okay, so then it will jump into your account. There you can see your python codes. Before seeing python codes, they'll ask you a few questions, so just fill it. Okay, I hope you have understood. uh, Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can put a comment below.